Hello everyone. Today we have to talk about the preparation of the carboxylic acid. So let me start how to prepare the carboxylic acid. In my previous video, I have talked about what is the introduction of the carboxylic acid and why the carboxylic acid is more acidic than the alcohol and phenol. Clear? So let's start preparation of carboxylic acid. How we prepare carboxylic acid by the different method or from the different compound. Clear? So the first preparation method of the carboxylic acid is from alkyl cyanide. From alkyl cyanide. Clear? When we make the hydrolysis of the alkyl cyanide, this is the complete hydrolysis of the alkyl cyanide like this, H2O oblique H plus. Then the CN group, that is the cyano group, it changes into the carboxylic group, that is RCOOH. Clear? So you have to mention or remember that when the hydrolysis of the cyanide group or alkyl cyanide will occur, then the cyano group is directly changed into the carboxylic group. Clear? When we put here methyl cyanide, then the hydrolysis of the methyl cyanide gives ethanoic acid, which is also known as acetic acid. This is the complete hydrolysis of the alkyl cyanide. Similarly, when we put here ethyl, then this is the propane 1 nitrile or ethyl cyanide, and it will give the propanoic acid like this. So the first method for the preparation of the carboxylic acid is by the hydrolysis of the alkyl cyanide. Next, second method, we have to prepare the carboxylic acid by the oxidation of alcohol or aldehyde. Clear? So you have to use the second method of the preparation. When alcohol is oxidized, or when the oxidation of alcohol will occur, then it will first change into the aldehyde, and when aldehyde will oxidize, then it will change into the acid, that is the carboxylic acid. Clear? Suppose alcohol are given to you, that is the CH3OH, that is the methanol or methyl alcohol, and when the oxidation of methyl alcohol is carried out, then it will form the formaldehyde. Clear? After the removal of the water molecule from here, it will change into the formaldehyde, and when this aldehyde is oxidized, then it will form formic acid or methanoic acid like HCOOH. Clear? Similarly, suppose you have to obtain or you have to prepare the next carboxylic acid from the ethanol. So it can be prepared after the reaction with the potassium dichromate with H2SO4, when this oxidation will carried out, then we get acetic acid as a carboxylic acid. Clear? Next method is by the alkaline hydrolysis of third point, by the alkaline hydrolysis of trihalo derivative of alkane. When we carried out this reaction, that is the alkaline hydrolysis of the trihalo derivative of alkane, like this, R C single bond X single bond X single bond X. This is the trihalo or trihalogen derivative of alkane. Clear? And when this compound is treated with the sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, then the 3OH group will come or will join this compound. After the removal of 3NaX, we get RC single bond OH single bond OH single bond OH. As we know that as the number of the OH group will increases on the carbon atom, the stability will be disturbed. Clear? So in this way, this compound is unstable, and for stability, the removal of water molecule will take place from here, and finally it changes into the acid, that is RCOOH. Clear? So by the alkaline hydrolysis of the trihalogen derivative of alkane, we get the carboxylic acid. Clear? When we put here R is equal to H or CH3 and X is Cl, and after treating this compound with the NaOH, you get the compound by yourself. You can make the complete reaction for this compound. Clear? What will be the product will form here? Clear? So complete that equation. Now I will talk about for the another method for the preparation of the carboxylic acid. That method are given. This is the fourth number. By the hydrolysis of ester, we have to prepare the carboxylic acid by hydrolysis of ester. Yes, how the hydrolysis of ester will occur? This is the R, C double bond O, single bond O, R dash. This is the ester, and when this ester will treated with the water molecule in the presence of acidic medium, then we get one molecule of acid like RCOOH and one molecule of alcohol. Clear? So when the hydrolysis of ester will carried out, then we get the acid as well as alcohol. So this is also a method for the preparation of the carboxylic acid. Next, the fifth number, preparation from Grignard reagent. Suppose you have to prepare the carboxylic acid, so another method you can use. The method is the from Grignard reagent. The Grignard reagent is the general formula RMgx, and when this Grignard reagent is treated with the carbon dioxide, you can write the structure of the carbon dioxide in this way: R C double bond O and C double bond O. So after treating the Grignard reagent with this carbon dioxide, the Mgx will occupy on this oxygen atom and R will be joined with the carbon atom and double bond will become single like this OMgX. Clear? And when we make the hydrolysis of this compound, then the bond will break from here. This bond will break from here, and we get the acid RCOOH plus side product is MgXOH. Clear? So this is the method for the preparation of the carboxylic acid from the Grignard reagent. Clear? Suppose when we put here R is equal to methyl group, that is the CH3, and X is equal to Cl, then it will be and CH3 MgCl. Methyl magnesium chloride is the name. And when this methyl magnesium chloride is treated with the carbon dioxide, it will give the product you can make. How the product will form. Clear? Understand? Now come on. The another method for the preparation of the carboxylic acid from alkane, especially from methyl benzene or alkyl benzene. Clear? Next, 6 number method. By the oxidation of aromatic hydrocarbon. When the oxidation of aromatic hydrocarbon will be carried out in the presence of alkaline KMnO4, then we get the product, that is the benzoic acid. Clear? Suppose a reaction are given to you. This is the methyl benzene, which is considered as the aromatic hydrocarbon, and its common name is toluene. When the toluene is treated with the alkaline KMnO4, and when oxidation will occur, then this CH3 group will changes into the COOH group, that is the carboxylic group. Clear? And the compound is formed here named as benzoic acid. So you have to remember this reaction. Similarly, when another compound is given to you, like the ethyl benzene, and when the ethyl benzene is treated with the same oxidizing agent in same condition, then this CH3 group or methyl group will oxidize into the carbon dioxide and water, and this carbon which are directly attached with the benzene ring, it changes into the COOH group. Clear? So only this carbon will change into the carboxylic group, not this. The bond will break from here. It will form the carbon dioxide and water. Clear? So we get the product like this: COOH plus CO2 plus H2O. Clear? Suppose a reaction are given to you like this: C single bond CH3, single bond CH3, single bond CH3, and the reaction are carried out in the presence of alkaline KMnO4, then no reaction will occur. No reaction will occur. Clear? Why here no reaction is occurred? Because the carbon which are directly attached with the benzene ring, it have no any hydrogen. Clear? So it will not changes into the carboxylic group. In this way we can say that the reaction will not occur, or the no reaction we consider. Understand? So these are the all different methods for the preparation of the carboxylic acid. Now I will talk about for the next topic in my next video. Thanks a lot.